digital marketing course 2 months in Victorrious Digitals. So I came into Pune. So I decided I want to learn digital marketing. So I want to search on Google in top digital marketing course in Pune. So I have number one referred to me Victorrious Digital. So I came into the institutes, and so that time I decided join to the Victorrious Digital in Deccan Gymkhana Institute. So I came into 2 months continuously in Victorrious Digitals. I learned about the different models in the digital marketing like this Google Ads, Facebook ad campaigns, SEOs. All the demos are very clear and practical training in the digital marketing institute. So it is good experience into 2 months. And so I learned more digital marketing with the help of Mary ma'ams, and all the staffs are very friendly and supportive to always help with you in front of as one step in forward are you. I build my self confidence with the Victorrious Digital. I'm very thankful to Victorrious Digital to support me always in digital marketing. So I always recommended by the Victorrious Digital. It was a good experience. So I recommended to Victorrious Digital and learned the digital marketing institute.